brain cancer, and the doctors told her parents she will only have 135 days to live. In a 2011 press release on cancer.org, we learned that cancer is the second leading death in the United States and that 1 out of 4 deaths in the U.S. is due to cancer. In addition, 1,500 Americans will die each day to cancer and 570,000 will die in a year. In this chart, you can see how many Americans die due to cancer with all the cancers combined. The blue is for males and the pink is for females. Recently, scientists have discovered venoms that could cure cancer and other diseases. Today, you will learn about some different sorts of cancers and other diseases. Then I will introduce 5 venoms and how some of those venoms can cure cancer and other diseases. First, I will start talking about cancer and other diseases. In an article on nlm.nih.gov, last reviewed January 20th, 2012, we learned there are 2 types of brain cancers, primary and metastatic. Primary cancer begins in the brain, whereas metastatic begins somewhere else in the body and then reaches the brain. In a 2011 National Cancer Institute Surveillance Research Program on cancer.gov, states 22,910 Americans will be diagnosed with brain cancer and other nervous systems, and 13,700 will die in 2012. The New York Times on July 15, 2012, defines muscle dystrophy as an inherited disease that consists of muscle weakness and loss of muscle tissue. May Clinic, May 24, 2012, states pancreatitis is the inflammation of the pancreas, which is a large gland behind the stomach. In ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, last reviewed February 2, 2012, defines arthritis as the inflammation of one or more joints and that there are over 100 types of arthritis. Such cancers and diseases have a lethal outcome. However, there are venoms that can help cure cancer and other diseases. There are 5 venoms that can cure cancer and other diseases. According to Popular Mechanics, last updated on 2012, the dead stalker scorpion venom is able to cure brain cancer, and bee venom for cancer treatment, the scorpion for the study of pancreatitis, and cobra venom for arthritis. In cobra venom for arthritis. In petnet.com, July 12, 2012, the dead stalker scorpion is defined as one of the most venomous scorpions. In ABC July 11, 2012, we learned that 40 as many as 100 deaths are annually due to stings by bees and other insects. The New York Times on July 12, 2012, defines that tarantula venom is not considered dangerous in the United States. However, it can cause allergic reactions. Even though snakes are scary and tarantulas are hairy, we shouldn't be afraid of them, for they can help cure cancer and other diseases. In Fox News, July 12, 2012, describes how researchers found chlorotoxin, a amino acid found in the deadly stalker scorpion, to slow cancer spread by blocking narrow channels in the brain that go through malignant shape-shifting cells. Also, an article posted in New Scientist on May 5, 2012, describes how chlorotoxin sticks strongly to the tumor cells, but ignores healthy tissues, and by binding to a cancer-specific protein called matrix metalloproteinase 2. This binding makes tumor targeting a promising ally to the fight against cancer. In cancer.gov, posted on January 12, 2012, described how melatonin, a small protein found in the venom of honeybees, can make holes in the cell membrane, which helps kill which helps in the death of cell. Melatonin has an important feature. Cancer cells are unlikely to um, to develop resistance, unlike other anti-cancer drugs. In Emacs.health, Emacshealth.com, December 30th, 2009, reveals peptide GXNTX4 um, has been found to increase muscle strength in mice and has been studied extensively. This this drug has no toxicity and has not been found to cause mortality or morbidity. Today you learned about some kinds of cancers and other diseases. You learned about 5 venoms and how those venoms can help cure cancer and other diseases. After Elena was diagnosed with brain cancer, she only lived for 256 days. However, that was not enough time for her to pursue her dreams and aspirations, such as becoming a teacher and having her father buy her wedding dress like she will always tell him when they will drive by a wedding shop on their way back home. In memory of their daughter, Keith and Brooke Deserich created a foundation named the Cure Starts Now Foundation. This foundation is dedicated to finding a cure for brain cancer. Hopefully, scientists can make this hope a reality and beat cancer to the end.